Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Wave IPTV Player V2 on any device. The process is super simple, so let's get started. Step 1. Enable unknown sources. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV device. Open Developer Options, turn on ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Step 2. Install Downloader app. Open the search option, type Downloader, download and install the app. Step 3. Download Wave IPTV Player V2. Open the Downloader app, enter the official APK download link. Click Go and wait for the download to complete. Step 4. Install the application. Once the APK is downloaded, click Install. After installation, select Done. Delete the APK file to free up storage. Step 5. Launch and set up the app. Open Wave IPTV Player V2. Log in using M3 URL or Xtream codes. Enter the details provided by your IPTV service provider. Conclusion: Wave IPTV Player V2 is a reliable and user-friendly IPTV player that works smoothly on Android-based devices. By following the above steps, you can easily install and set up the app and start streaming live TV, movies, and series using your own IPTV subscription. Always ensure you use a legal and trusted IPTV service for the best experience.